Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we can go about formatting an existing volume using the FAT32 file system inside of Server 2019. Though the ability to format a volume using FAT32 file system is still available inside of Windows Server 2019, it's not where you would expect to find it. For instance, if we go to File and Storage Services, and from here we click on Volumes, you'll see that I have a volume here that is currently formatted REFS. Now, if I right-click on this and I go to Format, I'm going to have the ability to use either NTFS or REFS to format this volume. But there is a way for me to format this volume using FAT32, and to do this, I'm going to use Computer Management, and under Computer Management, I'm going to go to Disk Management. Now under Disk Management, I find the volume that I want to format using FAT32. I just right-click on it. Let's go to Format. And from here, when I pull down the file system that I want to use, I have FAT32 available. So I can then just go ahead and say OK. We'll do a quick format. And it tells you that you're going to lose all your data and asks you if you want to continue. You just say OK to that. And the formatting takes place. Now, since the REFS volume is currently online, it is seen as being in use. So we have to go ahead and do a force. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes to the option to force the format. I'll say OK to that. And it comes back up formatted FAT32. And so that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we go about formatting a volume using FAT32 file system. So if you have any questions or concerns about any of the material that was covered in this short video presentation, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.